Oh yeah, you did it. Let's see, is it working now? No. Is it run? Nope, still not working.
No, I'm not working. I go to
Checking it out. Give it. Whoa!
That doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work?
That one doesn't work.
Yeah. That looks a lot like what Dad was doing. Let's see, checking it out. String there, push, push. I wonder if it works now.
No.
Let's see.
No, that doesn't work.
Doesn't work still.
I'm just checking it out.
I'm just checking it out. Okay. What could it be?
What can I read that?
I don't know. Maybe gas? Does it have enough gas?
And that doesn't work.
No?
And these batteries.
Oh. I wonder if we need some gas. Hey, it's working! You fixed it!
Yeah.
Can
I scare Barney?
Oh, you want to scare Barney?
Yeah.
Okay, Barney! Barney! He's just over there sniffing. Okay, I'm going to get my lawnmower too, and we'll go scare Barney.